guys, in this video I'll be showing you or rather I'll be reviewing a mini lip kit that I got from Five Below. They're the Healthy Lip from Physicans formula. So I took them out of the box already and they look like this. They look like this. They look like this. I'm going to be showing you one by one what each one looks like. And yeah, they're 5 altogether. And let's get started. Okay, so the first one is Breakthrough. It's like well, it looks like this in the bottle. And it's like it looks like a muted red, like a muted red orange. It looks like this in the hand, well, swatch I meant. And what I'm noticing with all these guys is that I think this was supposed to be meant for like a fall lip kit. But I mean, to each their own. I mean, you know, you can wear whatever color whenever you want. I do. So the next color is Pumpkin Party. This is like a more brown color. Oh, here, let me show you the bottle. It's like this. This is more of a brown color. So let's swatch this right here. That, to me, it reminds me of like a melted chocolate. Looks like that. So yeah, this one, the first one, is darker than the second one, than Pumpkin Party. The third one, it looks more reddish. It's called Tomato Garden. It looks like this. Let's see. Yeah, it's like in the wand it looks more reddish. So let me show you. Looks like that. That's Tomato Garden right there. The next one is Very Healthy. It's more of a mauve pink color. Looks like this. Let's watch it. Looks like this. Right there. And the last one is gonna be Bear With Me. Like, if you can please bear with me in this video. It's a more lighter pinky shade. Looks like this. Let's swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it here on the end. Yeah. So the one previous, which was Very Healthy, it was more like a purple mauve. This is more of a lighter pinky shade right there. So those are all the colors. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you next time. Bye.